I just picked this rack up yesterday. The guy who had it, it is for excursion. I don't know what year, what model, what. The one I have on does work, but the only thing I just don't like about it is that it's short. It's shorter and it doesn't hold majority of things. And when I put on it, you can only hold out 1 or 2 items, which I don't like. We'll be modding this one up. These guys here, I'm gonna chop these little guys, and I'm gonna make an angle down and ride through there. But before all that, I need to get this Supra out there. I need to get my Lexus, my wife's Lexus over there. When my CRV comes in, it does not fit through with that rack, so I have to take the other rack off in order for it to come through. And Supras. Alright, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna chop this off. I'm pretty sure this is off the excursion from the guy that I bought it from, which there's no use for it, and I'm pretty sure he's gonna take it off due because these guys are rusted like completely in there, which did design is retarded. I mean, all it is when the ring gets there, it's gonna sit there on that screw for the bottom of this. Okay, and the threads are all gone. I try to twist it, and all it is just grease thing. So there's no point. I'm gonna chop it off.
I'm stressing on my own too. Please don't try and get too close if we don't know you. We gon' come through, fuck the block and raise a whole roof. Found out how to move, made my own rules. Niggas changed over change, but I'm still cool. Niggas changed over change, but I'm still cool. Chestnut checkers, limited in our days, but our soul gon' live forever. God gave me gave it. Niggas out here racing. I've been moving patient, feel like I made it.
Alright, that's what I'm doing. Cut the bracket out already from separating it away from the bolts, I guess you could say. The one that holds this guy on this side. That's how it's supposed to be like. But what I'm gonna do is the crossbar of mine is supposed to sit through here all the way up and goes all the way down. But what I'm gonna do is instead of making these guys back on, which is gonna be pretty tough, I guess, from what I'm looking at it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill this plate a hole straight through here in the middle, which is gonna penetrate this guy, this block, the spacer block. It's gonna go down, and my crossbar, I'm gonna drill it straight through too. I'm gonna oversize it. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insert a bolt from here all the way down. It's gonna sandwich this guy onto the crossbar so I can hold it here. That's what I'm gonna do to all of them, all 4 points. Yeah. And then after I get that, then that's where I'm gonna modify this guy. Because even when I do that, this guy all it's gonna do is these two is gonna sandwich this guy, so it's gonna hold it down no matter what, and it's gonna bolt onto my crossbar.
I'm nervous from my own too. On my way, bitch, I'm stressing on my own too. Please don't try and get too close if we don't know you. We gon' come through, fuck the block and raise a whole roof. Found out how to move, made my own rules. Niggas changed over.
Alright, well, me and Mincher, we're gonna go and get I'm gonna go get a new drill. Within 5 minutes using it, it's already dead again.
And every 24, I'm getting better. I'm talking about days, my energy gon' live forever. I got it set up, I got it set up. No, these boys want me to let up. Ooh, chestnut checkers. No, they still can't test us. No, they can't check us. Ooh, no.
Alright, well, we just bought a new drill. Bowery. Oh yeah, it comes with the battery charger in the bag. Yep. And I just went ahead and just I just went ahead and bought the 2-year warranty and 90 days with it. Cause I know for a fact I'll probably blow it up before then. Fry that damn thing up. Hell yeah, let's stop to get some Mickey D's. Hell yeah. Now on the way back. Yep. Hell yeah.
I got tired, so let's slide. Ain't talking lift way back when Bronem had to ride. Just pick a side, pick a side, pick a side.
Alright guys, well my brother Koo's got the welder, so I'm gonna head over there so I can get this rack cut and weld and do as much as I can for today. If not, if I don't finish whatever I can today, which I'm pretty sure I won't, then I'll continue that, which I will continue that tomorrow. Alright, well I'm over at my brother Koo's place. There's Koo. There's Koo. There's me, Chance here, Koo. Alright, so what I'm doing now is measuring it from an inch for that distance to up. And so now this end of this rack is gonna be inch. It's gonna be an inch lower like that.
Plotting got me nervous, run my own too. On my way, bitch, I'm straight stand on my own too. Please don't try and get too close if we don't know you. We gon' come through, fuck the block, or raise a whole roof. Found out how to move, made my own rules. Niggas changed over change, but I'm still cool. Niggas change over change, but I'm still cool. Shots, it ain't checkers, no. And every 24 I'm getting better. I'm talking about days, my energy gon' live forever. I got it set up, I got it set up. No, these boys want me to let up. Ooh, shots not checkers. No, they still can't test us. No, they can't check us. Ooh, I don't feel no pressure. I don't feel no pressure. Left my money.
What's up, guys? I finally got the roof rack finished so far. I got it welded up, I got it cut up, and all that stuff, and now it's just drying off. This is how it's gonna look like. I have nothing proper, so I use my recycling bin. Chop that guy down, shorten it down all the way around. Had to weld every single one of these guys back onto there. Yeah.
Let's go.